12 Brilliant Tool Organization Ideas. I am always on the lookout for brilliant ways to organize the tools in my shop, garage. Someday I hope to have a dedicated space for woodworking, but for now I need to make the most of the limited space that I have. 12 Brilliant Tool Organization Ideas for your garage. I've scouted around the internet and found 12 really cool ideas for tool organization in the garage. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Cordless Drill Storage and Battery Recharge Station. Store your drills and keep those batteries charged with this convenient and compact docking station. Place a power strip on the top, to provide plenty of outlets for your chargers. Add an optional drawer to store all of your drill bits and accessories. 2. Compressor and Pneumatic Tool Storage. This rolling cart is a great idea to house a compressor and organize the associated pneumatic tools. Not only will it be easy to store in your garage, you can easily roll it out to your vehicles to fill up the air in your tires. 3. Tool Cabinet with Pegboard. Great idea to add pegboard inside a cabinet to keep your tools hanging and easily accessible, instead of in a pile. 4. Crate Storage Locker. This brilliant organizing idea uses inexpensive wood crates to create custom cubbies to store all of your smaller power tools and hand tools. The casters on the bottom make this locker super accessible and convenient to store. 5. Pegboard. Hang one sheet of pegboard and look at all that can be stored and organized in plain sight, plus it looks great. 6. Flip Top Storage. The perfect solution to store your larger power tools that are heavy and hard to get out, lug around, and put away. When you are done with one tool, flip the top over and use the other. Brilliant. 7. Portable Pegboard Rack. This brilliant idea utilizes a portable pegboard to bring your organized tools to you. That pull-out rack for clamps makes this tool organizer over the top cool and convenient. 8. French Cleat Blade Storage. JHJ's Custom Creations has an awesome French cleat system to organize his tools and shop supplies. Not only is this saw blade storage great for blades and accessories, it would be great for sandpaper and could be easily customized for tool organization cubbies. 9. Hand Tool Carousel. I love this compact idea to organize hand tools. Each panel flips and the whole carousel rotates. 10. Simple Nails. Organizing tools does not have to be complicated. 11. Tool Caddy. This tool caddy is perfectly designed to fit around this builder's tools. This custom caddy will look great mounted on the garage wall while keeping the power tools organized and handy. 12. DIY Tool Chest. Last, but definitely not least, a gorgeous DIY rolling tool chest. Geek Woodworker has really outdone himself in this totally custom tool organizer. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.